Alright, buenos dias amigos. ¿Qué pasó? I finally ordered a chain. Hopefully I'll get that by Wednesday, Thursday maybe. We'll get that dyna back on the road. I was going to do a 72 ride today, but I've just been itching to get out and just have some fun on the SuperMoto. As you can see, we've got the DRZ, the SuperMoto, and there's a subset of the viewers who are big fans of the SuperMoto, as am I. Rightfully so, because this thing is such a blast. In fact, of all my bikes, this one is the funnest for sure, hands down. All I'm going to do today is take this sucker out for a spin. I don't have any big plans, nothing set, no script. We're just totally off the cuff. Hopefully we can hit some gaps. I might check out the dirt. I might try some wheelies, some third gear wheelies, stand-ups. Sometimes it's good to just get out there and enjoy some little two-wheel therapy, if you guys know what I mean. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into it. And this is why the SuperMoto is my favorite bike. We got some claps up here. Hopefully I didn't cause too much ruckus back there.
No, it was really cool.
Have a good one, you guys. But anyway, John's Moto Garage, if you're new to the channel, this is where we do, I don't know, all kinds of stupid stuff on bikes. But where it all started was just trying to have fun on the motos. This is a 2016 DRZ400SM SuperMoto, and I always thought before having this SuperMoto that you can only have a SuperMoto if, you know, you're like a professional racer, you know, a professional SuperMoto kind of dude, which I definitely was not. But as it would turn out, you don't have to grow up riding dirt bikes necessarily to learn how to do some of these shenanigans. Ooh, just like that. Sketch. Check this out. There you go. I didn't make it all the way to the grass, but that's pretty good. See if we can get a stand up here. And sometimes it's just fun to get out and take the bike out. Que paso, amigos? Hopefully everything looks good on that angle. But hey, shout out to all you guys for checking out the channel. I appreciate it a bunch. And this whole thing is moving all over the place. A Dodge Viper. Dang, you got a nice big lifted Chevy Avalanche. Not my style, but interesting. And then the Dodge Viper. Nice. Hopefully this new angle works out so I can kind of like move my hands and act like I'm talking to you guys. Harley and a Honda. looks like a little jump. We'll give it a shot. And then I promise I'll get out of here. Let's try third gear stand-up. There we go. I guess the point of this video is, for me, motos, growing up I was all into things like skateboard and BMX, and bottom line, I had to be outside and I had to be active. Like, I had to be doing something. That was my therapy. And you know, as you get older, it's easy to get stuck in the daily grind, you know what I mean? Have any of you ever heard of the daily grind before? The 9 to 5, Monday through Friday. Oh, there's some dope bikes. So it's easy to get stuck in that grind, and also as you age and get older, you can't handle the abuse that your body took as a youngin'. So for me, skateboarding and BMX, while I still have fun going out and doing it, it's not something that I can really handle to the extent that I did before. Anyway, motos are an awesome therapy. It's an awesome outlet, as I'm sure many of you guys can relate. There's nothing like just going out and hitting the road. And it's not necessarily like the safest, but it can be made safe. The way I do it, it's like probably not the safest, but there's the secret, you guys. Motorcycles, for me, motos have become an outlet and therapy, and personally I think it's super important to have that balance between work, life, school, family, health, like whatever it is that you're rolling with. It's good to have that balance. And for me, since you know, it's easy to get hung up in the daily, like I was saying, it's easy to get caught up in the commotion, you know, and all the stuff that's going down. But if you can take just a little bit of time to focus on whatever you enjoy, which for me happens to be at this junction in my life, happens to be the motocicletas. Hasn't always been motos. Then hopefully that's a you know, a way into a little bit doper existence, if you will. And I'm not trying to get all like philosophical on you guys. This is John's Moto Garage, the last place you go for anything serious. Whoa, that thing is dope. That thing is super dope. Vámonos, amigo. Take a gander over here, see what's going on. Oh, one thing I've always wanted to do, check this out. Oh, what the heck? I didn't know that was there. Oh, no way. It's like wicked bumpy, wicked rocky. You would not want to go down on that. When I was a young and I crashed on a surface like that. Anyway, what I wanted to do was ride up this. And once we're up here, check this out. This is pretty cool. Pretty sure that's what this thing is built for. How dope is that? Hope this guy's gonna be pissed. Make sure we're going quiet. Yeah, he's pretty cool about it. Ooh, do we go down the stairs? No, that looks like a gnarly stair set to go down. Anyway, that's it, you guys. Just a quick spin on the SuperMoto because it's fun to ride this bike, and we're trying out the new camera. So there you have it, you guys, some good old two-wheeled SuperMoto therapy. It does not get much better than that at all. Sometimes it's good to just get out and enjoy the road. I'm not sure what I'm going to do, though, once summertime hits, because we're barely creeping into summer. It's already like 95, 96 out. As you can see, I'm not even wearing proper safety gear here. I got my kid a skateboard for his birthday. He asked for it. I didn't even have to push him into it. Such a proud parenting moment. You know what I mean? Lots of good stuff to come. John's Moto Garage, as always. Gracias. Hasta luego. Nos vemos.